Hello guys, it's me, Melanie. I'm going to be painting my nails today with these vegan gel polishes that Nail Reserve sent to me. I've already applied these soft gel extensions. Let's get started. This is the color Red Addict, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It stood out to me the second I opened the box. By the way, you can get 50% off of your order if you purchase a minimum of 2 gel polishes. I'll leave the 50% discount code in the description box below this video. It applied beautifully in one coat. Next is the color White Addict, which is a pure white gel polish. Oh, and I forgot to mention that all of these gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, love that, and 9-free, which just means that they don't have 9 of the most toxic ingredients that are in most other gel polishes on the market. And this is how it looks with gel top coat. Next up is the color Cashmere, which is a light gray color, perfect for fall and winter. This color applied great with only one coat as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I couldn't believe it. I was looking at the ingredients and I noticed that 5 of these colors do not contain Hema. So I started emailing my contact at Nail Reserve, and she told me that they're working on making all of their gel polishes Hema free, and they may be releasing a Hema free collection in the near future. This is exciting news because it's hard to find affordable Hema free gel polishes that are high quality. So here's Cashmere with a glossy gel top coat. Next up is the color Sunfall. This color is fall in a bottle, and you'll see in a minute just how pretty it is with matte top coat applied. It's a must-have color for fall. It applies beautifully and it has a good consistency. I think this rusty orange would look great paired with reds, browns, and other warm tone colors. So here's what it's looking like. Now I'm going to be applying the matte top coat. I'm just applying a nice thin layer. You don't want to make it too thick. And here it is after curing. So beautiful. Next up is Bliss Pink. This is a vibrant hot pink color. I wanted to quickly let you also know that I will list all of the Hema free colors in the description box down below, but all of these colors are Hema free except the color Red Addict and the matte gel top coat. Just look how it applies with only one coat. Very beautiful. And here's what it's looking like. Now I'm going to be applying the matte gel top coat. I'm going to be applying it to the entire nail surface with a nice even layer. And look how stunning and matte. I'm in love. This next color here is called Plum. This is absolutely gorgeous. With one coat, it looks like a jelly deep plum color with sparkles. I love it like this, but just wait until I apply 2 coats. And when I apply the matte top coat, it's like a velvet plum with a sheen that would be perfect for your winter and Christmas manis. It's beautiful, look at that. But now I'm going to be applying my second coat. It's more full coverage with the second coat. It reminds me of sugar plum fairies from the Nutcracker. That's what comes to my mind anyways. So now I'm going to be applying the matte top coat. Again, I apply a nice thin layer to my nail. And just look at that. The perfect backdrop to some snowflakes or any nail art. This is the color Red Addict. I know I swatched it on a swatch stick already, but I wanted to see it on an actual nail and with the matte top coat because this color is stunning. I would say it's the most beautiful red shade that I've ever swatched. I'm going to be including this color in a giveaway, most likely when I reach 400 subscribers. And this is what it's looking like before curing. I'm applying the matte top coat. This matte top coat works great and you get a lot in the bottle. I know you've seen some of those tiny little bottles you get online and at other retail stores, but this is a full-size bottle. Here's all of the nails with the matte top coat applied. Absolutely gorgeous. Now stick around because I'm going to be applying a glossy top coat to all of the nails so you can see what all of the colors look like glossy. If you're enjoying this video, please click the thumbs up button to like the video. It really helps me out to know if you're enjoying my content, and it helps me to keep going and creating these videos. Look how shiny that is. So beautiful. I love swatching new colors. It's like a form of therapy for me. It just puts me in a good mood. Do you love swatching like me? Let me know in the comments. And here's the red with the glossy top coat. It's amazing how you can get such a different look with the matte and glossy top coats. And here's the final look with the glossy top coat on all of the nails. So if you've been on the fence, go get you some Nail Reserve gel polishes. You won't be disappointed. And subscribe to my channel to see more nail videos just like this. Thanks for watching. God bless.